We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
Throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
Up in a code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pin a fold, never tell me killer fold. Everybody coming from the hood, so not kidnappo. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same plot. Living in a prison yeah.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
I come in with a ski mask, bitch with a B-bag. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some
Mojo.
with a Gucci bag.
We ain't
Ain't here, that don't care.
We ain't fit, can't get in here. We getting lit in here. I don't care. And the girls dancing everywhere. The bottle popping everywhere. The money overflowing everywhere. The swags everywhere. The
Designers everywhere. Hey,
Throwing money in the airline.
we're in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We're in there.
Jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We're in there.
Throwing money in the airline.
We're in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We're in there. Young T, young who, what? Young who?
Young boy, young bear, young dog, young Nick, young Giz, young Hills. Pull up at your hall,
Young who, young who? Get him with the pitch. With petition. What's your main intention?
We throwing money in the airline.
We're in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We're in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We
In there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
MK with a Gucci bag.
Let's get it. Let's get it. You know what time it is. It's another Money Sunday. Back again. The best trader in the freaking world. Profit Maxing. I'm Profit Maxing. Y'all looks Maxing. I'm Profit Maxing. You heard? Trying to get to that money on my mind. Money on my freaking mind. Nothing else. Nothing else. If you ain't by money, it don't make sense. You got a Traders here, back with another live stream. I am glad to be back. How do y'all feel? How do y'all feel? How do y'all feel? Man, y'all need to be hyped up. I'm gonna lie, I got some trash sound effects. I am in some trash, gang. I need to update my what's it called? Need to update my soundboard because this is trash. Like how my Discord soundboard got better soundboard. I need to go crazy. I need that. I need that. Yes.
Order filled.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way, yeah.
Profit Maxing. Let's get it. Let's get it. You know what time it is. Hello, bro. I see you. What's in with it? What's in with it? Where you from? Drop your error code, man. Where y'all at from so I can dox your ass. What's in, bro? What's in, bro? What's in, bro? All right. Looks like the live stream looks going good. So let's get started. Let's talk about the agenda for today. So I'm gonna be asking ChatGPT what happened last week, news-wise, and what to expect this week. And also, I'm gonna do a little quick review of what I took and what could have done better. What could what improvements I could have made on the trades I took and why I took them. Right, I'm gonna explain why I took them, and then after that, I'm gonna refresh my charts, rechart them, and then also before I rechart them, I'm gonna open up earnings hubs. Earning hub. Y'all gotta stay off the hub. This is the hub to be on. It's earning hub, and then after that, I'm gonna be back testing, and then that'll be the live stream. So I hope y'all caught up real quick. What's Gaming? Gaming, why you spamming? Man, you need to shut up. Talking about spamming. I'll spam. This is my life. I'll do whatever I want. You hear me? Spamming. Man, get out of my face, boy. Shit, I'll leave you. If you on my live show, I'll leave you emotionally damaged. All right. Anyways, let's start this stream with a bang, 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 bang. Actually, should I do ChatGPT, or should I go, or should I do what's it called? I do chat, or should I do trade review? I feel like it's better to do the trade review first. I'm gonna do a trade review first, right? I'm gonna do a trade review first, and I'm gonna show y'all. So, boom, 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 boom. Let's start with Apple, man. Dang, bro, Apple gang. So I got in some Apple calls. Look, Apple broke this resistance. I got in late. I got in like around this 180. Price flew to 188. I didn't close out, but I had after this right here, I had a stop loss here. I had a stop loss there. You a cool dude. I wish you were my friend. Realize, stay true, twin. I will, brother. I wish you could. Whoa, chill. I know. I'm being awkward right now, but let me do my review. And what trades I took. So this is one of my trades. I took this like around like little Tuesday. What does it say? Tuesday. I took it late, bro. I took it late in the hours. So I definitely took it like on this right here. Price flew. I don't know how much I made on the contract. Not gonna lie, I've not done my trading log, bro. You gotta do a trading log. Right? So after price came back underneath here, I sold my contract. I ain't gonna lie, I don't remember what it was for. I took a lot of trades, gang. And some trades went well. I wish I had more, but I think one adjustment I have to make for this week is having better targets. I feel like my targets were a little too high, So having realistic targets is a keynote I'm gonna try to focus on this coming up week. So this is my Apple call. I called it out in my chat and I closed it out. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what I made on that. I probably made like a few dollars. Only like how many point play move? Only like three points. And guess what? That's not a loss to me. Took it out. I took it out. And that's it. It is what it is. That's how the market move. Let's go on the hood, right? Hood. Also with hood, I bought here. Price kind of pushed up, and then I think Thursday, and then I bought this one late. I bought this on Wednesday. I know I saw price break this level right here. It's really like not the best levels. Really like a more than an hourly level, and price has been holding that right above the support level right here. So I bought it at this resistance. Kind of rode it up to the 130.37 level, but I think I had my angle. I had my what's it called? I had my SL here. I'm on my SL here. Price definitely went through my SL, got out easy. No drama. I did not get any Google plays at all. It just was looking funky. I think I did. I had a sell. Well, yeah, at the beginning of the week I had a sell on Google, but it did not make any lower lows. I didn't like the way price was consolidating here. So I decided to get out. As you can see, opt out and price kind of reversed. So look, it was low-key just channeling for a few days, man. And that's never a good sign. It's always good to get out. And the reason I got out was probably just risk management. That's what I said. Never, let's say if you feel like price is not moving the way you want to move, if it's consolidating too much, it's not doing anything, get out and let price move a little and see, You know, and then if we go back, the volume was low. This is low volume, right? This is low volume, bro. Look, low volume. We want to be trading with at least some higher volume. And I just got the new sauce today. And I'm gonna show y'all the sauce I got today. I'm gonna show y'all the sauce I got today.
Bumbleclad rich millionaire.
Where? Tips and tricks. But I like.
This is one of the best.
I like this. I like this.
Tracking indicator.
I like this. You know, I'm always teaching, so let me have it. Let's. You a student. I want to try out this indicator while I'm back testing, right? And let's see how it works.
This is one of the best volume tracking indicators on TradingView, and it is completely free. This bad boy provides real-time volume metrics visualized.
Shout out to Prime Chart. Prime Chart, don't copyright me or I'll copy your homework.
In these histogram bars, allowing for easy identification of bullish and bearish movements. It also comes with a dashboard, so you can see exactly how much size and volume is being
That's crazy. That's gonna be fire.
traded.
We're gonna
as
see
well
if
as
it
a
works well.
smart moving average, which can even assist you in locating chart breakouts. All you need to do is head to TradingView.
All you need to do is follow my YouTube. Cause I already got it. I already yoinked it. It's right here. Indicators. Then it's like volume, weighted moving average. This is it. Is it? It's called deep volume. Deep volume. But yeah, so Google kind of went nowhere. Yeah, it was alright. Not the greatest. Didn't make money, lose money. With Microsoft, didn't do too much. Didn't like the way it was moving. Moved all right, moved okay. Not too crazy. And then we got Carvana. Saw Carvana, man. This trade, bro. This trade would have been a dope trade. Man, even from last week. Saw it from last week. And then the thing is, I wasn't even locked in for real, man. It made me like realize, bro, you gotta be locked in. Make sure play comes upon you. Take the trade. Take the trade. Do not be afraid to pull the trigger. Shoot or shoot. Shoot or shoot. You know what I'm saying? Shooters got to shoot. They don't make money without taking a shot. One thing I don't like this, it doesn't go past this. Like, why we only like, is this only like 2 months? Was this made 2 months ago? I love to have this indicator back. Maybe if it works in back testing. Let's see if it works during when I back test. But looks pretty good. Now we got SPY when Hundo broke above this resistance. I think it was Wednesday. Ain't gonna lie, I was not looking at it, and it consolidated for a while. So low. Look at the volume, just low. Oh, we want to trade when the volume is probably around $2 million, 2 mil. You know, want to trade around there. Man, and we got. But the thing is, like, one thing I could say, volume does not indicate good or bad trades, though. Like, 'cause sometimes, like, it might be low volume, but that price can be pumping, though. Like, I want to see, like, how volume looks. So, with this new indicator, hey, what's going on, bro? You know what's going on? What's going on is the rent. So, that's what's going on, brother. That's what's going on. Going on is the renta.
Bumbleclad rich millionaire.
This is Ultra Booty. Ain't gonna lie, these contracts was mad expensive. I could have hopped in on my YOLO, not my small account, and see if I could, you know, flip it a little bit. But sheesh, these contracts were eye watering though. Look, but it hit. What's price? It hit targets, man. Blew through the targets. I don't even want to look at the options, because I know, you know, options calls probably went crazy. And oh man, this is another stock I was in throughout the week, man. And price, look, he dipped and kind of jumped up, and now look, we almost TP1. Did I re-enter? I don't know, man. I should, cause price definitely wants to go to this 280 level on Reddit, man. I was holding through the BS, but you know, I moved my original SL. Really, SL was down here, like around here, this level, this 214. Y'all can't even see that if I squeeze it a little bit. Yeah, there you go. So this 214 level right here, and price definitely bounced off of it with a lot of value, a lot of momentum. This is definitely a buy zone, man. Just missed opportunity, because man, you know, like you said, like volume was weak. It was like trending down a little bit. I wanted it to kind of like come back and then, you know, give me a full rebuy, but I don't know, missed the opportunity again, man. I had to get out of the contracts. That's you know, moved SL up. SL got hit. I had to get out of there. Not Uber. I didn't even trade Uber. I know why is it on my trading list. Let me do this and dump you. Did I take any other trades? Meta. I didn't even do any Meta trades. Meta's been doing its thing. Microsoft. I'm just missing here. Freaking Google. Microsoft. I feel like we still got some selling it wants to do. Then we have Google. See, we have Tesla. Tesla came back above this resistance, and I think we might go to the 470 level. Could have got in right here. Could have, would have, whatever. Can't make every call, but then, yeah, Tesla ended up doing good moves. It is Google. I already talked about Google. Apple. I already talked about Apple. Oh, I also got into kind of like a rebuy above. I think it was like right here. I think it was like right here. I bought right here. Prices failed. We're gonna see though, but I like this level right here, above this level. Then we have Amazon. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, I got caught up right here. I bought at a short, tight. I had a tight stop loss. This level right here at the 235 level, right? I had a tight stop loss. Target 1 and target 2, but guess what? Amazon wasn't ready for prime time. But also, let's see what happens between here. And you know, if we come back to the glory land, we might see Amazon. But ooh, Nvidia. One thing I like about Nvidia, I didn't get into any, but around this 185 level, like Nvidia wants to just go crazy. Nvidia wants to go crazy. Just pop off. Pop like a fucking Pop-Tart. Well, sorry for my language. But that's pretty much the recap this week. So I just went over the Mag 7 and I just went over the trading list. So now it's time to ask ChatGPT. You know, let's prepare for next week, let's prepare for next week. Hopefully we see good movement. If not, it is what it is. Let's see, ChatGPT. Ask it what happened last week and stock, and type in with me market summary, baby. Okay, cool. Market performance, modest weekly gains. So it was a chill, modest weekly gains. Index ended the week higher. Dow Jones rose about 0.5%. 500 gained around 0.3, and NASDAQ composite jumped roughly 0.9% by Friday, trading under its record highs, while Dow Jones and also hovered near its peak after some validity at the start of the week, including a drop on Monday. Markets rebounded midweek, helped by improving segment and hopes of rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. Cologne still smell good. You gotta have shit that still smell good hours after you have been having it on. Okay, what drove the swing, and what we were watching? So early in the week, stocks pulled back. The pressure of weak crypto-related names and broader risk off segment tied to the rising bond. Okay, cool. I ain't gonna lie. Summarize this shit some more. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I ain't got a lot of time today. It's already 10 o'clock. It is already 10 o'clock. Summarize. Please summarize. Please. I don't need to know. Give me some bullet points, gang. Oh no. Make shorter, please. Man, I don't want them. Thank you. Here's the very short version. Okay. Stock finished overall this week started rough as the bond yields and cryptos sell off, pressured markets. Mid to late week, stocks bounce back. I need to get my water. I didn't forget it. The renewal of hope soon. Tech and small caps gain. Stayed okay. Can you give me a little more details? Don't give me a lot. Just give me a little bit more details. There we go. Investors are still curious, but the market is leaning bullish as long as inflation stays under control and rate cut expectations remain intact. Validity is there, but dips are getting bought. If you want, I could also break down when it. What should I watch next week? Okay, so what's to keep an eye on next week? So inflation is inflation data, any inflation numbers, CPI, PPI matter a lot. Cool inflation, bullish, hot inflation market will pull back fast. Fed cut. So unprofessional of me yawning on the stream, but we got to keep the show pushing. You know, it's a struggle stream. So Fed talk, rate cut expectations, what to watch, Fed speaker, or hints when cuts could start. Even small wording change can move the market. All right, and this bonds, 10-year treasury is huge right now. Yields down equals stocks up. Yields up, pressure on tech and growth stocks. Tech leaders, big names, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia are still driving the market. If tech holds up, the index usually do too. So this is the job data. If released, it's slowing, but stable job market is ideal. Too strong, rates stay high. Too weak, recession fears. Overall, market is casually bullish, but very sensitive to headlines. Expect volatility, especially if data surprises. Quick take: if inflation stays calm and yields don't spike, the market will likely stay supported. If either breaks the wrong way, expect a pullback. If you want, I could also tell you what sectors. WTB giving me all this good stuff. Let's check out Forex Factory so I can see when the news is supposed to be dropping. So Monday, not any news, but Tuesday we have our weekly employment change. We have a jobs opening, job opening, and then on Wednesday we have our employment cost index, regular rate cut. So we expect on Wednesday. So Wednesday at 1 p.m. is going to be really big. FOMC economic projections. Then we have our FOMC statement, press conference. So this is going to be big. This is our forecast. So they expect to cut for our interest, our rate. I think our interest rate by 0.25. So that's going to be big. So Wednesday is a big moment. And then unemployment claims on Thursday. So let's see. Oh shoot. Struggle stream, yo. Struggle stream. Go to our earnings hub. Earning hub. So AutoZone dropping. AutoZone is dropping on. Why they need to do a dividends or stock split on. Why is your stock $3,000? Whatever gains. Then we have GameStop dropping earnings on Tuesday. I know this company, they had a good 2025, man. You're gonna check them out. Wow, this company is going crazy. Oh wow. What is this company about? Aerovision. Okay, so it operates under a signal business segment in which it supplies unmanned aircraft systems. Technical. So this is a defense contract. This is a defense. Oh my gosh, this stock has been going crazy. Wow. Look at this growth. $30 to $500. COVID was 150 before COVID. Look at that dip. Barely. Crazy gains. Then we also got Oracle's dropping earnings. And Oracle had a crazy pullback. So I'm gonna look into Oracle. Adobe, that's something to look out for. Been selling off like nut butters and okay, why did I say nut butters? Crazy work. So what is this? Costco's dropping earnings. Lululemon's dropping earnings on Thursday. Hold on. I'm not gonna pick that up. Brother, why is that on? This Cena. Holy crap, Cena on, bro. Cena. What is Cena? All right, actually, let's check out Cena, man. All these contracts. Cena, never heard of him, man. Cena's going crazy. Cena Corp. Let's look at their balance sheet, like year over year. This year, they're okay. No. Let's look at the income. Pre-tax, cash flow. Literally, they're doubled. But 2023, 2024 was tough for them. But this year, they are double what they made last year. So they're on a path to recovery. Cena, man. Cena. You're playing optical networking hardware, software, and devices. It builds supplies, technology that powers high-speed internet, telecoms networks worldwide used by telecom carriers, cloud providers, and data centers. Oh shit, okay. Cena, John Cena. Total assets is, oh my God, $5 billion. Total liabilities is $1 billion. Wait, total liabilities is $2 billion. So $2.8 billion in shareholders' equity, which is pretty freaking good cash flow. I think negative cash flow is good. I think. I gotta ask ChatGPT. It's a whole nother. Then we have, oh man. So we are investing cash flow, operating cash flow, good. Then there's financing cash flow. That's negative. So are they not in debt? Hope so. Let's check out Cena on the chart though. This is another add Cena. John Cena. Add Cena. Boom. Let's go into the monthly. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No way. Yeah. Actually, Zoom. Can Zoom do the same thing? And Zoom A? I did buy a contract with Zoom. Zoom. I got that Zoom. Go to the moon, baby. Go to the moon. Cena. Go to weekly. Oh my gosh. Cena. Why did I find out about Cena? Just crazy past few weeks. I'm looking on the daily. So now what I see from our Cena, boom, support resistance, boom. Then look, are we 4 hour? Have this and chart it up right quick. Boom. Now we I see it. You know, might be a stock in play. Earnings are coming up too. It's a crazy stock, bro. Look at this. Oh my gosh. No way. Man, fuck this volume shit, bro. Because look at this beautiful price action. Look. Oh, it jumped up and it just kept going. Just delicious. Just delicious movement. I like Cena. I think a lot. Let's add Cena to our trading list. Add Cena. I like Cena. Oh man, we're gonna go crazy or we not? Let's see it. Let's see what Cena does. It's going to 1 hour. Look at it from a better perspective. Put this down here a little bit. A little bit of indicator. Boom. That's Cena. What else we saw? I was kind of going crazy on the earnings hub. Boom. Cena and is Oracle. Do I have Oracle? And earning hub. Oracle in here. Uh-oh. Let's clear Oracle. Boom. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Mm-mm. Ooh, Oracle. Oracle. I see. What did my old markup look like? Did have this resistance. Then we had this smaller resistance. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. Are we down here? Down. Going down, 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 down. All right, let's clear now. Clear monthly. At the monthly on the Oracle. Definitely had a tough month. On a weekly. But looks like this is like a bull sign, bull reversal, price reversal. And look at this old resistance here, this weekly resistance. Boom, boom, bam. Let's look at like what's going on. Past. I know you're on this crazy downtrend. But let's see what's right here. I need to. This is a definitely. Eh. Yep. Boom. Bam. See it. I see it. We see it. The original indication. Let's go on the 4 hour. Boom. I see it. I see it. Not the cleanest price action because we had this crazy jump. Pullback. Pullback was crazy. Let's look at Visa. Because it's not. Crown Royale. Vert. Okay, Vert. Yeah, I gotta add this stuff back. Roku. United. Got Glow. Bro. Hims. And Bull. Weeble. Not bullish. This. Progress. All right. You're right. Now all the stocks belongs on the red list. PayPal. Royale. United Health. Okay, weird stocks. I'm gonna add this like weird stocks. Oh my gosh. Ain't crazy. All right. Now let me refresh my charts. Back to that earning hub. Look at Oracle. Did look at. Let's look at Adobe. What's Adobe on the fundamental side? Adobe. Net income. Quarterly. It's been growing. Yes, we've been having good, good. $1 billion annually. We're seeing growth, seeing growth, seeing growth on that side. Then we have our total assets, $28 billion. Total liabilities. This is 16 billion. So $11 billion, $12 billion in shareholder equities, shareholders. Dang, I can't speak. Shareholders equity. As you can see right here, we have our operating cash flow, and like we are seeing percentage gains in the trailing 12 months. Also, our financing cash flows is good. I feel like they're not under. I don't know, man. I don't know. That's expert. Don't ask me. I'm just a guy who live streams every Sunday about money. And then let's go back to the charts. Let's go to the red list. I had Adobe. It's Adobe. Oh, I think I got Adobe. Yeah, okay. I already had you on my list. March your ass up. Oof. You know, had a rough patch. Looks like it's pushing up. Yeah. For the monthly. Still getting cooked respectfully. My God, look, just maybe we can push back up these levels. I don't know when. Now we have our resistance and support. So I see it, you don't, because I'm the expert here. Technical analysis, fundamental analysis, resistance, support. This is a sign of big reversal. We break above this level and start making higher highs on the upside with a Dobasky. And earnings are coming up. Look at this, just green earnings. Oof, looks good. All right, let me refresh my chart. The reason I refresh my chart is because this is a new week. It's a new week, a new month. What is a new week? So whatever we did last week is old news. We look forward onto our look forward to what the future lies. We seeking the future. Definitely missed this on Reddit, man. Oh man. Okay. It just bounced off. And I feel like it's definitely got time to push. I'm definitely gonna be looking for a tight. I'm gonna look for entries, but it's gonna be tight. It's gonna be tighter than my budget. You know what I'm saying, to buy a new car. And then there's Cena. But let's just start off with Marcus Meta Gang. So we can do a little. Start out with a monthly though. What's going on a month? You know, we saw indication. Look, you know, it's an indication of reversal. Boom, reversal. Maybe this month will be a good month. Hopefully, Meta pushes for better. And then last week of November, and this past week was a good week for November. I mean, for Meta English. But now you can see what I am looking at. Prices coming back to this level of support that we had here. So price can either do two things, right? It could either get sold off again, and this could be our target right here, or push into this support, into this channel. It's very, you can see it was very active, very fluid, very herbaceous. All right, then we have Microsoft. Microsoft. All right. Definitely still signs of selling off for real. But it's been taking a slow descent. Buyers are fighting back. Buyers are buying back. Buyers are buying back. Buyers are buying back. But you see this indication. Prices underneath this level of support here. So this could be definitely a telltale sign right here. I'll go to the to a smaller time frame. Kind of like see this level. Kind of got rejected a little bit. Price reject this level. I would just, are we gonna get under here? So if it's Microsoft cooked. Hold on, let me get some water. Back. All right, boom. Now we have our 1 week weekly. Let's see. Tesla. No, I haven't had it there. Since port. It's on the daily level, so it's higher time frame. Higher time frame. Come on. Smaller time frame. Like price broke back, bouncing between these levels. Break between the bounces. Now let's go to Google. Google, amazing past few months. Week pushed a little bit. Ain't gonna lie, I did take some sales on Google. Saw signs of weakness, signs. But the only signs now I see is like, okay, no, we have a support here. We have a support here. Shit up. Now we have this, that, boom, boom. Got the 4 hour. Okay. be putting shit on the chart. That don't make no freaking sense. But also, Google can make some plays though. Google have more space. Liquidated all this folk. It's a liquid play. Wow. Power of perspective. Liquidated, came back. So are we gonna go crazy above this? Who might be in play? Or you might be in play, brother. Go to Apple. Apple's looking pretty smexy. Then we have, how long I've been going for? Minutes. Dang, this could take some time. On a weakness, on a weekly, daily. And we had all these candlesticks, man. Are we gonna come back? Is Apple's gonna come back into resistance that I've been waiting for? Broke, didn't close above, but it'll be a sign of indication. There might be some opportunities to re-enter. For now, let's wait if Apple back to this level. Maybe it just bounces off and get in. Now we have Amazon ski. Fresh this. Clear this out the way. Hopefully, so we're above this level. What we say, we coming back into it. Boom, looks better. Definitely have like a distance here. Price 1, 2, broke, came back. You're gonna break. Support level. You at? It's down here. Big channel. Price keeps bouncing in between these two levels of support and resistance. Dang. I should have done this in the morning when I had more energy. Sheesh. It's all about, man, it's on me. Discipline. Could have got done it. I really could have done this early in the morning with that more energy. Now I'm just like dragging. I mean, or still looking for you. Boom. Took a little L. Amazon calls, but level crazy. Now we have the video. Motherland, my video. Take it to the motherland. Right there. Boom. This. That. Weekly. This level right here, support. This is going to be our daily support. Pop it. Boom. All right. Daily. Yep. So that's our resistance, really. Resistance level. There we got this. Video might be a stock in play. Here's a stock in play. Here's a stock in play. And last time we were above it, went crazy. Then Are we holding this level right here? Holding it just perfectly. Boom. Apple, already got Apple. Apple to okay, got this level right here, Apple. Oh, you right here. Hood. See what Hood doing. Daily. And last day. Had a great push, but the last day, you know, fell short. And Hood look like it's complicated though. You gotta find the synergy. Have to find the synergy. Find the herb. Have to find the herbaceous. Boom. Break. Fail. Boom. And boom. Boom. I see it. I see it. Wow. We're the exact same spot. Comes back here. Carvana. Dude, man. Beta Carvana, man. Eesh. Last several days has been going crazy. Going crazy. Wow. Huh. Oh. Price of resistance. You can play. Play. Eesh. Is the daily. Odds. Mm. Man, I'm sorry, yeah. Been I've been very quiet. I'm just trying to get low key. I didn't even trying to go for an hour, bro. We already passed an hour, man. Like, dang. It's just okay though. Just gotta keep going. Daylight then. I feel crazy, bro. That I closed my contract, but timed it better. I've timed it. Thank you. There's no be. I'm a back test tomorrow, but thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm just gotta lock in. Gotta do better, man. Ooh, gotta do better. Gotta do better. It's getting late for me. Gotta lock in. Thank you for the great live stream. Just refreshed all my charts. Just gotta do better. Gotta lock in. Yep. Other than that, man, I appreciate y'all. And the trades out. Remember to clear charts, remark them, and make the best of every opportunity. And God's gonna watch you be the best for you. Got the trades out.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
Throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
It's a pin code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pin a fold, never tell me killer fold. Everybody coming from the hood on a kidnappo. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same plot, living in a pin a fold. Yeah.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
Coming with a ski max, bitch with a BB. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
We in here, one don't get, and we ain't fit, they can't get in here. We getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere. The bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags everywhere, designers everywhere.